or to bring their ideas to life. Organizations should allocate budget, time, and expertise to entrepreneurial projects. Dedicated innovation labs or internal incubators can provide the necessary infrastructure for idea development and testing. 3. Foster collaboration. Collaboration is essential for entrepreneurship to thrive. Encourage cross-functional teams, interdepartmental collaboration, and knowledge-sharing platforms. By breaking down silos and promoting collaboration, organizations can leverage the collective intelligence of their workforce. 4. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Entrepreneurial endeavors carry risks, and not all ideas will succeed. However, organizations need to embrace failure as a learning opportunity rather than discouraging risk-taking. Encourage a culture where failure is seen as a stepping stone toward success and where lessons learned are shared openly. 5. Recognize and reward entrepreneurs. Rewards and recognition play a pivotal role in fostering an entrepreneurial mindset. Organizations should acknowledge and reward employees who contribute innovative ideas or successfully implement entrepreneurial projects. This can be done through recognition programs, promotions, or even financial incentives. This can be achieved through workshops, seminars, or partnerships with external organizations specializing in entrepreneurship education. Title: Entrepreneurship, Driving Innovation Within Existing Organizations. Introduction, approximately 150 words. In today's ever-evolving business landscape, innovation is crucial for the long-term success of any organization. While startups are often hailed as the epitome of innovation, existing organizations also have the potential to foster entrepreneurial thinking and drive change from within. This concept is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship empowers employees to take risks, think creatively, and develop innovative ideas within the confines of their existing organization. This article will explore the significance of entrepreneurship, its benefits, and how organizations can cultivate a thriving entrepreneurial culture. Section 1: Understanding Entrepreneurship, approximately 300 words. To grasp the concept of entrepreneurship, one must first understand the distinction between entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. While entrepreneurship refers to the act of creating a new business from scratch, intrapreneurship encourages employees to apply an entrepreneurial mindset within an established organization. Intrapreneurship thrives on autonomy, creativity, and calculated risk-taking. It engages employees at all levels, from frontline workers to top executives, in identifying new opportunities and developing innovative solutions. By harnessing the talents and diverse perspectives of its workforce, organizations can tap into a vast pool of untapped potential for growth and innovation. Section 2: The benefits of entrepreneurship, approximately 400 words. Organizations that actively foster entrepreneurship can reap a multitude of benefits. Firstly, entrepreneurial initiatives lead to the development of new products, services, or processes, which can provide a competitive edge in the market. By encouraging employees to think outside the box, organizations can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing market dynamics, and even disrupt their own industry.